your roadmap to the latest in auto. Welcome to Highway Herald. In today's episode, we dive into the turbulent waters Tesla is currently navigating. Tesla's impressive growth over the last decade seems to have hit a roadblock. The first quarter of this year saw a significant decline in sales compared to the same period last year, marking the first drop since 2020. Meanwhile, production levels remained steady, leading to thousands of unsold Tesla EVs piling up across the US. This is just one of 6 major challenges Tesla currently faces. Let's dive into the details. Number 6. Overflow of unsold Tesla EVs. We start with the most visible sign of Tesla's struggles. Recently, numerous reports have surfaced about Tesla vehicles accumulating not only in dealer lots, but also in adjacent areas. This oversupply indicates that production has far outpaced demand. The saga began with news of around 400 Tesla vehicles gathering dust in the parking lot of a shuttered mall in St. Louis. However, this is not an isolated case. Similar situations have been reported at the former Chesterfield Mall, Quaker Bridge Mall in New Jersey, Roosevelt Field Mall in Westbury, and Buena Park Mall in California. This backlog highlights a significant issue, a drop in sales for the first time in years. In the first quarter, sales fell by 8.5% compared to the same period last year, with nearly 11% of the inventory remaining unsold, a stark contrast to the 2% excess from the previous year. In concrete terms, Tesla sold around 387,000 vehicles in the first quarter of this year, while producing over 433,000 units, leaving an excess of 46,500 unsold vehicles. While Tesla doesn't disclose exact figures for market day supply, experts estimate it would take approximately 90 days to sell the current inventory compared to Toyota's 27 days. This gap paints a concerning picture for Tesla's future. Number 5. Deep discounts / Tesla's profit margins. The slowdown in EV market growth didn't happen overnight. It has been a gradual process, leading Tesla to offer significant discounts on its models as early as the third quarter of last year. To illustrate, the Model 3 now starts at just $39,000, down from $47,000 at the beginning of 2023. This trend extends to other models as well, with average Tesla car prices dropping by 21% in the past year, from around $63,000 to $50,000. The most recent price cut came a few weeks ago, reducing all models by another $2,000. Consequently, the Model Y is now available for under $45,000, down from around $63,000 in 2022. Some deals even allow you to lease the Model Y for less than $400 a month. Additionally, Tesla has slashed the price of its self-driving feature by 33%, now costing just $8,000, and the Model Y still qualifies for a $7,500 federal tax credit. These discounts have significantly squeezed Tesla's profit margins, raising doubts about whether the company earns more than 10 to 15% on its EVs. In the first quarter, net income fell by 55%, while total revenue dropped by 9%, totaling approximately $21.3 billion. This decline stems primarily from the slowdown in growth and forced discounts, but other looming challenges could exacerbate the situation. For instance, new tariffs on batteries and EV components from China, as announced by the Biden administration, could further erode profit margins or necessitate price hikes, potentially depressing sales further. Number 4. Affordable EV model scrapped. Another significant blow to Tesla's future plans is the cancellation of the so-called Model 2 project. According to a Reuters report, Tesla has decided to shelve this project amid its current financial strain. The choice boiled down to either continuing the development of an affordable small EV or focusing on the robotaxi project. Ultimately, Tesla opted to prioritize the robotaxi over the Model 2, a decision driven by the need to preserve profit margins. The Model 2, expected to be a bestseller with a starting price between $25,000 and $30,000, became a financial liability in the current climate. Interestingly, neither Elon Musk nor other Tesla officials have publicly refuted the Reuters report. Moreover, it appears that the robo-taxi, Tesla's first driverless vehicle, will be unveiled soon. Reports suggest a premiere in August, where more details about this and other future projects from the world's leading EV maker will be revealed. Before we delve deeper, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to Highway Herald. Your support fuels our passion to create more content like this. Now let's explore number 3, hurdles in the Chinese market. China remains one of Tesla's most crucial markets, where the company has long performed well. Despite holding the second position behind BYD, Tesla is experiencing a noticeable decline. Currently, Tesla captures about 10% of the Chinese EV market, but sales have been dropping. In the first quarter of this year, sales plummeted by over 40%, settling around 300,000 units. This issue extends beyond growing domestic competition. BYD's recent price war has squeezed Tesla's profit margins. Additionally, the geopolitical landscape is a significant factor. In response to the Biden administration's tariffs on Chinese EVs and components, Chinese retaliation is expected, which will likely further impact Tesla's performance in this vital market. These challenges highlight the complexities Tesla faces in maintaining its position in China amid increasing competition and political tensions. Number 2. Major workforce reductions at Tesla. With the immense pressures on Tesla's global operations, it's no surprise that cost-cutting measures are in full swing. The easiest way to reduce expenses often involves workforce reductions, and Tesla has decided to cut 10% of its global workforce. Given that Tesla employs over 140,000 workers worldwide, this means approximately 14,000 employees will be laid off. This decision affects Tesla employees across various plants and regions. In North America alone, over 6,000 layoffs are expected. Based on WARN notices, experts have detailed the specific impacts. Texas will see around 3,300 job cuts, California nearly 2,700, with the Nevada and Buffalo plants expecting 700 and 285 layoffs, respectively. Internationally, China is anticipated to bear the brunt of the layoffs, with significant cuts also likely in Germany, where about 400 jobs might be lost. Intriguingly, these layoffs are not limited to labor workers. Higher management is also affected. Notably, 2 key executives, Drew Baglino, Tesla's SVP of Powertrain and Energy, and Rohan Patel, VP of Public Policy and Business Development, have left the company. This sweeping reduction highlights the severe challenges Tesla faces as it navigates through these turbulent times. Number 1. Decline in Tesla stock prices. Tesla is facing a storm of challenges lately. Declining sales, aggressive price cuts, significant layoffs, issues with the Cybertruck, and modest profits are just a few of the problems at hand. Unsurprisingly, this has led to a sharp decline in Tesla's stock price, which has been falling consistently. In April alone, the stock dropped significantly, resulting in a 43% decrease for the year. Currently, Tesla ranks as the second worst performer among the S&P 500 companies. Unfortunately, the outlook for the rest of the year doesn't look promising either. Analysts predict a 5.1% drop in revenue, which would mark the first year-over-year decline since the second quarter of 2020, when the pandemic disrupted operations. In summary, turbulent times lie ahead for the EV industry, and Tesla is right in the eye of the storm. While legacy automakers have their own battles to fight, Tesla's unique challenges could reshape the landscape of electric vehicles. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor and report on these developments. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to Highway Herald for the latest vehicle updates and upcoming videos. Hit the notification bell to stay informed. Until next time.